how to contact Western Union customer support. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Western Union Contact. Well, head over to the very first site, Contact Customer Service in the United States. It will land you on the official page where you can contact Western Union. In this page, you will get to see 3 different ways to contact Western Union. The very first one is Chat with Us. If you head over to this option, you will be able to get in touch with customer core representative for assistance. And the second way is to give a call. As you can see, the number is available to you. You can simply call the number and get connected with them. And the third one is find a location. You will be able to find a contact of Western Union agent location. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to contact Western Union customer support. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.